Every successful Amazon reseller I know uses Keepa. Every single one. But most of them, when they started, they had no idea what they were looking at. They installed the extension, the chart popped up, and they stared at it like it was written in another language, making buy decisions based on data that they couldn't actually read. Ask me how I know. I did the same thing for longer than I'd like to admit. You pull up a product, the price gap looks good, you check the Keepa chart and think, I think this is all right. And that's not confidence. That's a coin flip with your capital. Keepa Quick Start is 6 videos in under 60 minutes. And when you're done, your extension is going to be configured for arbitrage, your charts are going to be clean, and you're going to know how to use both the product finder and the product viewer, which means you'll stop looking up products one at a time and start filtering over 1.4 billion ASINs down to the ones that actually matter to your business. And here's something nobody talks about. Keepa isn't complicated, it's just misconfigured. You do this setup once properly, and every single listing you look at from that point forward loads with your settings. Your charts on how you need to see the data, not the default mess that comes out of the box. Now, this is the foundation. Everything else you build in this business sits on top of it. Your sourcing, your buy decisions, and your ability to scale. All of it starts with knowing what the data is actually telling you. So stop staring at charts you can't read. In under 60 minutes, you won't have to. Links below. I'll see you on the inside.